Well, here's a beautiful car, 2006 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Convertible, and I have to say, this is a little different color combination for the exterior and the convertible top, but it looks fantastic. I don't know when I've seen one of this. If I have, it's been a long, long time. Black on the exterior, it has that gray interior, it has a gray convertible top. This is a fantastic looking car, and let me tell you, it is priced to sell. Check the pricing and get more detailed photos and information by clicking the link right down below this video. This is a beautiful car. Black on the exterior, gray interior, and a gray convertible top. Looks great. Under the hood, 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $3,395 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sport seats with airbags, auto-dimming mirrors, compass, universal garage door transmission. This car has a power top and the Z51 Performance Handling Package. It has a Bose CD stereo system with navigation, OnStar, polished wheels, HID headlights, dual-zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power windows. Of course, everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax, loaded with options, and this convertible shows 54,022 miles, and it is priced to sell. This car features the rare black, gray color combination, as I said in the beginning, and this looks fantastic. It's going to turn heads. The paint is in good condition, great shine. Convertible top is in very good condition, and those factory polished wheels look absolutely fantastic. The interior, as you can see, shows very good factory leather seats, very good door panels, and additions to this car include an aftermarket steering wheel, aftermarket headlights, LED interior lights, window tint, gray center console lid cover, mesh fender vent grills, and a tinted windshield banner. Beautiful car. Give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Remember, we ship nationwide every week, and we make buying online something you can do with confidence and with ease. So we hope you'll stop in and see us, but if you can't, let's deal online. You won't be disappointed. Again, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really, really soon.